Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, good whatever time of day it is and whatever part of the world you're at. Welcome back. Today we're taking a look at this question here. And once you take time to digest it, the main thing we're going to have to do is add these two expressions. So I'm going to go ahead and start off by rewriting each expression, but I'm going to expand it a little bit. Now I can go ahead and start breaking this down. The next thing I want to do is factor 125 and I want to factor 80. Now, because we're taking the square roots, I want to use a factor pair that has a perfect square, okay? Now, with 80, any number that ends in 0, you want to go ahead and divide it by 10. 80 divided by 10 is 8. However, 8 is not a perfect square and neither is 10. So the next number we can divide by is 5. Any number that ends in 0 or has a 0 in the ones place can be divided by 5. And 80 divided by 5 is 16. So we would write this as the square root of 5 times the square root of 16. And then because we have another y cubed, I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to write it as the square root of y squared times the square root of y. Now, on the next line, you're going to see me simplify everything. So now, I'm going to go ahead and just multiply these things here that are outside the radicals. And I'm going to simplify my expression that way. Now, to what I'm allowed to do, because both of these have a square root of 5y, that's going to be used as my variable. That they both have the same factor. So really, you could think about it this way, because both of them share in common the square root of 5y. And then that right there allows you to see that you're essentially just adding these things. And then we would just go back and look at our answer choices. Here, this one is a distractor, C, okay, because it's missing the y. So A is the best answer here.